So, man, neighbor came home. He's gonna be. The only reason why he came over here is because he's gonna be paying for the rebuilding of the engine. So that's what we got him here. You know already. Yeah. So need an update what we got going on, man. They came to help out. Hopefully this thing is gonna come out. We got surgery Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so I know I won't be able to touch this for the next 4 to 6 weeks.
So why are we rushing tonight?
So because it's gonna take 2 weeks.
We should be drinking and watching TV.
We're drinking already.
Yeah, we're taking it out.
We're gonna take it out so we can. No, I got. No, that's yours. You babysitting.
No, it's water. It's agua. Mucho agua.
It's gonna take 2 weeks.
I don't. Are we putting it on that?
Lee, you drove this thing.
No, I'm gonna put it in the van.
You drove that to Georgia.
To Georgia and back.
Oh my God.
No, that's
oh, Dios.
No. That's nothing. You didn't see.
No, you didn't see how it was.
The 2 pieces that we took out. Mm-hmm. Like I'm talking about.
It was a brick.
About that size. That size.
Carbon.
Yes.
Yeah, it was bad. It was all clogged up. Yeah, I do got pictures.
No bueno pa caca.
Look.
That is.
It looks
horrible.
like there was a good mudslide in there.
Yeah, see where
we went muddy in Georgia.
See
California
where this is
mudslide right there.
This stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, that's from the 2 bricks that broke off of that were covered. I mean, it was like all as soon as when we took 2 bolts out. I told Tim, I was like, "Uh-oh, we're in trouble." So I told Juan, I was like, "Hey, where are you?" He's like, "I'm almost there." I said, "Okay, well, you need to get over here." He goes, "Oh, great, that doesn't sound good."
And he's like, "Oh, go get a cup." Before I even talk to you, just go get a cup and come and sit down. We'll be there in a little bit, babe. Thank you.
Okay.
So
what's the plan on the engine?
we're gonna take it to get rebuilt. We'll take it to Thunderbolt.
Oh, really?
So it's gonna take 2 weeks out there. So that's why we're taking it out right now.
They say 2 weeks. It'll be 2 months.
Well, that's what we're waiting, sir. We're gonna put the back on the engine.
I don't think so.
He said, "I don't think so."
Not anytime soon. You will, but it's gonna be a while.
So
he's coming and detail the firewall, huh?
who, George?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna use your sandblaster.
Everything. That's what I'm not gonna lie. That's what I'm gonna do. Sandblast everything.
He was
regulates his
he was talking mess.
Be sure and wear a dust mask.
I got one.
Okay, be sure and wear it. I have one too. I have
I use
a
bottom.
good vapor.
What you got?
George's.
I got the crown.
I
brought both. I don't know if you need one. Okay, because it took me forever just to find one.
And we are back, man. So the neighbors just left right now. We got the engine out already. The only thing that we gotta remove from the engine before dropping it off is the pulley, the water pump, and the valve cover. Everything else stays. So we should be fine, man. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Gotta load it up in the van. I already got the van over here. The other thing, man, is gonna be detailing the engine bay. Again, today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday night. I got my surgery on Thursday, so I won't be able to do anything for 6 weeks. Hopefully I get some time after surgery, after recovery, to clean all this up, man, before the engine goes back in. I'm not sure on the color of the engine. As y'all can see, they got the blue. I don't know if I want to keep the blue or I'm going to go a different color. We will see. I'm not sure about that. But for sure, we have to detail the engine bay before the engine goes in. Another thing that I want to show you, man, Taylor hooked me up. He engraved the radiator cap, man, little touch for the wagon. It looks nice, man. I like it. And again, man, it's a good thing about having good neighbors, man. I know this is not a shop, it's a garage. Just work out of my cars. And this is the first time they come over to help me out, man. I'm always over there at their shop. And for the first time they came over here, we had 2 cars to work on. We finished them quick, so we had plenty of time. This was quick. The only thing that we had to disconnect was the transmission. Everything else, I had it removed already. You know, since they're helping me, I'm trying to do as much as I can. But again, man, it's a good thing about having good neighbors. They're hard to find, and I'm glad I got them. So we're gonna kill the video right here, man. I'm gonna keep you updated. Again, I won't be able to do anything for the next 6 weeks. We might get a video tomorrow. I'm gonna go pick up some tires for the 74. I'm trying to knock everything out tomorrow before my surgery. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Surgery is Thursday. And depending on how it goes, I might be out for 6 weeks. So hopefully I'll get you the footage, man, whenever we go get the wheels for the, not wheels, the tires for the 74. So we're going to kill this video right here, man. Again, thank you for watching. And I will keep you updated on the wagon.